Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will discuss shipping method in WooCommerce. What is meant by shipping? If we place the same order in different country, then what will be the cost of the transportation? So we will handle all this in this tutorial. So how? First you have to click on WooCommerce in the dashboards. Then you have to click setting, and inside the setting you have to find shipping tax, and after that you will do so. Inside in our dashboard you have to see this setting. Click on this setting, you will find this window, and inside this window you will see German, public and shipping. This tag is important for shipping method. You have to click on this. Now you have to add shipping zone by clicking this one. So I have already created two shipping zones. One is local one, which is free of cost. Shipping in this zone will be free, and shipping in this zone will be take charges. So I want to edit this local zone. So you can see this zone. Its name is local. You can change it. Local zone, and inside this you have to add zone region. I want Pakistan. In this Islamabad, capital territory of Pakistan. This one is our local area. This one is our local region. So I do not want to apply any shipping. It will be free of cost. I am also adding one other zone, which is Peshawar KPK. So this one is not found, so I have to add Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Pakistan or Punjab Pakistan. I want shipping free for this zone also, so I will click Punjab. So in these two territory my shipping is free of cost. So after adding this you have to select shipping method, and inside the shipping method you can see free shipping. In this area we have free shipping, or I can add. So I want to edit this. We can see this one is free shipping and a valid free shipping coupon. So I will select none. So this one is a free shipping. I do not want any charges for shipping in these two local areas. So I will save this one. Now I want to create one other shipping zone, which is a remote, and I have added 3 countries in this shipping zone. One is India, Japan and Turkey. So these 3 are my remote zone. So I will specify specific shipping charges for these 3 countries. So I have to edit flat rate. You can see this one is a flat rate. For all the rate is fixed. For Japan, Turkey and India my shipping will take 4,000 charges. So is it taxable or not? So it's taxable. So I will change it. So I have created 2 shipping zone. One is remote and the other one is local. For remote I am applying a flat rate, which is a fixed rate for all 3 countries, India, Japan and Turkey. It will be added to the price of our product. This will be an extra charges. And the other one is a local zone. In this we have added 2 areas, 2 zone regions. One is Islamabad and the other one is Punjab, Pakistan, Islamabad, Pakistan. So for these 2 regions my shipping charges is free shipping. So when I am doing shipping in these 2 areas I will not take any charges. And how shipping works, let's see in our website. Let's suppose I want to buy this gift. Yeah, this product. So I want to add these two products, t-shirts and shoes in my cart. So add to cart, you will see what will happen. So you can see in my cart there is three products: t-shirt, second one is t-shirt, and this one is shoes, and the price for this one is 80 plus 80 plus 100, so the total become 260. So shipping is applied, free shipping. Why? Because my address is Islamabad. So for Islamabad I have applied free shipping. Now if I change my address to India, let's suppose I want it to be, sorry, I have to change it into India. So you can see when I change my address to India, so shipping is changed into flat rate. It's RS 4000 4k. Now my price become 4260. So for my local zone it was 260, and for remote zone it become to 4260. Now if I change this address to Japan, so what will happen? You can see Japan, or you can, yeah, Japan. That so I think Japan is not updated. What happened? I think this name is not valid. Turkey. Yeah. Province is, let's suppose this one is on province, so I have to update it. So you can see my shipping is changed to this postal address, India, Afyun, Turkey. So my shipping address is again changed to flat rate. So for India and Turkey, my shipping method is flat rate and its charges is 4k. So we have seen our shipping methods. We create two shipping zone. One was local and the other one was remote. For remote we apply flat rate, and for local I have applied free shipping.